All right. As a Filipino without any knowledge about K-pop, because I don't watch any K-pop, napapanood ko lang ilan-ilan. Kasi ano talaga ako, P-pop, SB19. Bias agad eh, no? I wanna see this. Go. Parang go up lang ng ano. Go by Blackpink because they're one of the best, right? I wanna see some K-pop action, kung ano ba yung music video, kung ano ba yung pedestal niya. Because I know that they're the best and syempre, payaman at sila na yung mga isa sa mga biggest names sa industry when it comes to pop in the whole world. So, I wanna see this, okay? So, let's go. This Blackpink Go ang title, music video. Parang ito ata yung comeback ano nila, di ba? Okay. Shit. Rosie! Rosie is so freaking pretty. Rosie, ang ganda mo naman. Man, she is so beautiful. Lisa. Let me turn on the subtitles because I want to see the lyrics also. No. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Here to the rescue. I'm number one. You're God an angel. Your kingdom come. Not sure to be.
Damn. Ano yung music video na yun, men? God damn. Para sila mga diwata dito. Hindi mo alam saan sinot to, yo. Sa loob ba ng coral reef to? Ano to? Damn, they look so fine right here.
To the rescue. I'm number one.
Naman, Lisa, no?
You're God an angel. Your kingdom come. Not sure to be on my drum. 'Cause when I call you, you're gonna come. Holding position, it's gonna blow.
Jesus?
You only move it when I say so.
Ooh! Tangina, man, halata talaga ang dami nilang pera. God damn, yung music video. Ano ba tawag doon? Techno ba yun? Damn, man. Shit, this is also awesome, man. The fuck? Okay, man, let's go. Blackpink, sino to? Sino tong sexy na to? What the heck? Whose leg is this? Okay.
Go get it, I'm a go getter. Never gon' settle for second. I need a gold medal. Get up on the floor, tell me when to go. No slow jams, pumping through the speakers when I do my go-go dance. Oh nah, I go when I wanna go. I'm so gone, go reckless, go off. Like what could go wrong? I'm going all in. You should know that's my go-to. My whole crew with me. If I go, then they go too. Beat up my drum. 'Cause when I call you, you're gonna come. Hold in position. It's gonna blow.
Parang double meaning yun. When I tell you you're gonna come, hold your position, and it's gonna blow. Puputok. Is it just me? Butang na ginagawa ko bang kabastusan yung kanta ng Blackpink? Medyo double meaning siguro. Pwede mong ganon. Hindi ko kasi alam eh. Hindi ko masyadong nanonood sa kanila. Parang ganon eh, no? I want kasi kaninang opening, sabi, I want your body. Diba? Sabi niya, ako lang ba yun? Ang ganda talaga ito yung bias ko ngayon, is Rosie. Rose. Ayaw niya tawagin siyang Rosie kasi gusto niya pakinggan mo muna yung lahat ng kanta niya sa album niya bago mo siya pwedeng tawaging Rosie. Rose, let's go. You're gonna come. Okay. Hold in position. It's gonna blow. ng music video, no? Na, weird na maangas, parang movie, na parang Interstellar, parang nasa ibang planeta, parang ano siya, parang siyang parang Milky Way, parang universe, parang alien shit, man. Di mo alam, pero it's awesome. Halatang payaman yung budget. Let's like the vid, man. It's awesome. Let's go.
Your heart is broken, baby. Darkness on the edge of town. Try to keep it open.
Grabe, gamit na gamit yung ano nila, yung trade, ano nila, ano ba tawag doon? Trademark ba tawag doon? Or yung parang, nakalimutan ko, mantra? Parang, Blackpink, tarara! Kasi dati, diba, Blackpink in your area? Tapos ngayon, parang, Blackpink, I'll tell you, ano ba yun?
Edge of town.
Hindi ko
Try to
maintindihan.
keep it open, baby. Try to let your walls come down. I know you're frozen,
Rosie!
I can make you turn to stone. You can stop and be alone.
Ayan. Mm. Ano yun? Sige nga, ako lang ba yun? Ako lang ba yun? Or you could, go. Oh. Ayun. Kamanyakan ko ba yun? Ano ba yun? Hindi ko ma...
Stone. You can stop and be alone. Or you could.
Parang mga symmetric patterns or mga parang Doctor Strange na power yung dating ng mga na music video niya, no? Mga image, mga 3D ano. Ang angas siya tignan. Well, nasa caliber naman nila yan kasi Blackpink yan, man. God damn. The fuck, man? It's awesome. Damn. Tangin naman, masakit sa ulo, no? Parang pang concert, no? Para pagkakantayin nila to, Blackpink, Blackpink, gaganon ka doon. Alright. Damn, ano to? Ito yung logo nila ngayon. Go! Go. Okay, gets. Damn. Okay. That was awesome. What was that? The music video is crazy, man. The music video is freaking crazy. So that was Go by Blackpink. Ano pang gagawin mo? Blackpink na yan. So that's it. Nasabi ko na yung dapat kong sabihin. They're awesome. They're beautiful as always. Damn. Damn. Babalik na sila, no? Sana all. Alright. Let's go. Go. Cut direct.